hot dish is, of course, tater tots and 1/2 cup of milk, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, some shredded cheese. I probably won't use all that cheese, but a cheese of your likings, and then a pound of hamburger, and then I just added some mushrooms because we like mushrooms, and I had extra from yesterday. So then you mix it all together except for the cheese and the tater tots, and I'll show you how to layer that in the bowl. Thanks for watching. Cream of mushroom soup in your bowl. Add the milk, 1/2 cup, and then just whip that up until it's smooth. To take the hamburger mixture and layer it, put it in the bottom of your baking dish. And spread that out evenly. Then you just get your tater tots and pour them over the meat mixture. Like such. And then you take the soup mix and pour it over the top of your tater tots. And you take your cheese and sprinkle it over the top of that. And then you're all done. And then you just bake at 350 for, let's see, what was it? 30 to 40 minutes. And voila, tater tot hot dish. Final results of tater tot hot dish, beef. And I didn't toast the garlic bread yet, but I'm sure that will go with it either way. And I hope you're having a good day. And thanks for watching. Keep calm and carry on.